Hi guys, today we got a quick video on the infamous green cable for the 380 SL 450. I guess some of them use the same anyway for the ignition distributor. Um, what it is, I got 2-3 units and they were all faulty. And not only they were faulty, but they did cause damage to the distributor. And what I want to bring your attention to, I made my own cable, it works now. So what I want to bring your attention to is I'm going to try to close up, see if the camera will focus. See in that little hole where the, okay, let's back out. Okay, that's where the cables are going in. Normally there's a plug, right? This plug is unobtainium now, so you have to make your own. So you can use the blade connectors, but you definitely need to remove the distributor to place them in correctly and shrink wrap them and all this. But now, since I had that green cable and I put it in, I caused some issues with the distributor connection. As you can see right there by the terminal A, the terminal B just got scratched a little bit, but terminal B where I'm gonna try to enlarge it again, see that little solder joint right there. Okay, I fixed that, but what happened, the wire was on the inside, and by plugging that green cable where the plug was a tad oversized, I would say, it gently scraped that cable and changed the resistance, like broke the connection a little bit, I would say, because it changed the resistance of the coil from just a tad under 600 kilo ohms to 1.5 mega, so more than double that, right? And that obviously wouldn't work and created all kinds of problems. So what you can do if your distributor is okay, as you can see, I shaved about a mil off the top of the case. Be very careful, because if you dig into the wire, then that's it, is over. So just take your time if you have to do it. And then with the fine point soldering iron, I just have one, with the adjustable temperature and stuff. It's nothing fancy, $100 or so. A fine tip. I was able to first. I did a practice run on cold unit. I wanted to make sure that I can place that in, as you can see. That's why I didn't film it, because it's so, you have to be so precise. So I placed a bit of tin there, and then I just put solder on the tip and just touch that, because this wire is so delicate. You cannot hold your wire on there for long. Anyway, that's all I want to bring your attention to. If you buy those green cables, those aftermarket things, if you have a caliper, measure the plug. Make sure the plug is not oversized, because if your wire is on the inner part of the attachment here, you may run into trouble. You may actually do what I did. I was lucky enough, I was able to fix that. But if the wire broke short, then this would be pretty well done. I would have to take that whole apart and have the coil rewound and all this. Anyway, so that's what it is. What's the part number for this? I have it somewhere. I think it's right here. 003 003 158 1201. Yes, 003 158 1201. Yes, and this is the Bosch distributor for the 380 SL. So let me power this meter. Of course, the meter, I had the meter on only for the soldering part. So 623 kilo ohms, it's by the book. The book says 600 plus minus 100. So we are right in the zone, and connected. As you can see, I insulated everything well. I plan on putting some kind of a magic tape here, and making sure no no garbage goes in there since the plugs are no longer available. Yeah, anyway, this is just walk in the park, just sealing it and finishing putting it all back together. Okay, good stuff. That's enough. That's enough about the distributor and the wires and all this. I had 3 sets of wires as well, and one was okay. I got it from someone that maybe used them or whatever. One was from Rock Auto, one was from some other place, and now I'm getting a third set, and crazy, just crazy. Anyway, good news. I finished. This is done, and it's. I hope it's gonna be working like a charm tomorrow. Okay. Good night.